Hello all. Vuram has created a new custom activity to process Form 1065 using UiPath document understanding. So, what is 1065? We will see with a small sample. Form 1065 is submitted by the US citizen in the irs.gov website for return of partnership income. So, this is a sample file which we have filled with some random data. So we will be using this file as input to the activity and see it in action. So this is a sample application that has been created to demonstrate this activity. So in order to use this component, you have to install Vuram 1065 form extractor using managed packages in UiPath Studio as explained in the document. This activity takes two inputs. One is the API key and the next is the file path. And these are the outputs generated by this activity. We'll see them one by one. Doctext, DOM, extraction result and taxonomy are outputs of different stages of document understanding which can be used based on user's choice of action. For example, we have used those outputs as input to the present validation station where the human in the loop comes into the picture. And the next 5 output arguments starting from schedule P 3A DT to schedule L liabilities data table store different tables that are available inside the document. For example, schedule P 3A DT will store this table which is under schedule P 3A, and schedule B 3 DT will store this table which is under schedule B 3B. So similarly, each of this data table will store different tables inside the document, and all the rest of the fields will be stored in simple field data table. Now we know that what Vuram 1065 form extractor does, and we'll see what this sample process does. So it basically loads all the input files and sends one file at a time to Vuram 1065 form extractor, and the output of each instant is given to the present validation station where the human in the loop comes to the picture. And then once the data is validated, the extracted data is exported to an Excel sheet. So we'll see it in action now. So the execution is started and it has taken the input file. So now the present validation station screen is loading, and since the form 1065 has 5 pages in it, this activity is only supported in Enterprise Edition and it is not supported in the Community Edition. So we have totally 221 fields including the 5 tables. So these are the data extracted, which is this is the file. So we can see that all the data has been extracted. So the checkboxes are extracted as yes or no. So if it is not unchecked, it is no, and if it is checked, it is marked as yes. So we have income, cost, receipt, sales here. So now we'll see a sample table. So we'll take schedule P3A. So these are the fields extracted. So you could see all the fields are extracted. we can just save it, close it. And we also see schedule P 3B. So as we can see, all the feeds are extracted here. So we go ahead and save it and we'll see the output. Okay, so there are 3 other tables. It has to be saved. So we can see that the execution has been completed, and we'll check the output. So we have one file generated here, Excel file. So basically the simple fields sheet will have all the single map values. Just basically other than the 5 tables, all the rest of the data will be present in this sheet. And the tables in the document will be stored here. So this is basically schedule P3A and schedule P3B and so on. So we have 5 tables here. This is all about Vuram 1065 form extractor. Thank you all.